evening, my friends. Swed is here. Welcome to my channel. This evening we will install a wind protector on my MT09 2022. The screen protector that I have is a little bit taller variant, so it's not very tall, but it's actually the middle variant. There's a shorter one and there's a little bit taller one. I have both of them. What I got now is the taller one. I will try that, and then I will try the shorter one if I think that it's not needed. Sometimes I would like to ride on windy days on the highway, so it's good to have the taller one. So let's get on it. So guys, that's how it looks like. It's actually very beautiful. I think it's really a nice color for MT09 on this kind of the color scheme that I have. I have multi black places that I have colors that actually matches a lot the color scheme that I have. So it's gonna be like something like that, maybe a little bit down there, and actually it's very beautiful. So let's get on it. And we have like two settlement of metals here that they are actually mount metals that we have. One is left and one is right. Left and right, they have like two letters on them. And then we have the rubber mounting things here that they will go there inside. We will mount them first, and then when you mount them, when you finish mount them, then you will have to put these ones inside them. And that's when you try to screw the things inside these mounts to keep them in place. So these will act like washers to push the rubbers down with the screw, and from the other side you have these screw mounts. And these are the bolts that we get with for the mounts. Either you use, I don't think we can use the original ones because they are bigger ones, so they cannot be mounted here because they are, the circular diameter is bigger than this one, so it will push the metal from the other side. That's these are the ones that we got with them. So the mount will be like, for example, this is the right one. It's gonna be like let's see, right, so yeah, so the upper side is going to be from up to the screen, so that's the upper side, and the lower side is down there, and you mount it like this, and then you mount the screen on it. So yeah, that's how I am going to make it, and I will put my cam on this side, the other cam, so we will try to make a good audio of that. The thing is, actually, I thought it's gonna be a taller one, but this one looks very good. I think it's not that very tall. The other one is very short. The one that's original, you know, that goes like only there, so it's making a nice kind of design when it's there. It's like not like this naked, very naked. It looks like a little bit more screws. So the other one, it's covered, and maybe a little bit like wind protection, but not that much. But this one is going like a little bit up. It's nice. It's not like covering the whole space or the whole face of the bike. So yeah, let's do it and see how it looks like after that. Yes, so when I push these rubbers here, so I use actually soap water, and it makes it really easier to do it. And then you push these metals inside. It's very easy, fairly easy. So be careful that you do not break these things, because these rubbers are very fragile. So yeah, it's fairly easy to push these ones. So, and then we take the next one like this, and the fourth one is there. So there it is, and we keep this one here. Let's try to unscrew the original screws here. Fairly easy. they weren't like very tight screwed. And let's try to keep them somewhere. I don't know if I'm gonna use the washers under these metals, because it could be a good idea to, because you have like a little bit rubbers and you can scratch it. So I think it's a good idea to keep these ones, you know, the original washers with then, so you just take off the screws, the bolts, and take off this. That's stuck there, so that's good. Let's see if this one is stuck there. Just like this. So take one screw. It's the bigger one. There are one small and one big. This one is for the screen protection, the plastic cover there, and this one is for the metals. These are for the metals. So let's try to keep the right to right and left to left. This one is right. Washer, screw, bolt, or we call it, doesn't matter. Put it there. So take another one. Actually, I would prefer to keep the original ones. I thought that is actually, I hadn't that much space there, but it was a lot of space, so actually I will keep the original ones. I like the original ones. Original is original. Let's see. Maybe this one is stylish, I don't know. See why they gave us, because this one is more beautiful. The original one is a lot more beautiful. Yeah, what do you think, guys? This one is nicer, yeah? So let's see, let's put this one here and see why they gave us a bit small one. Maybe it's because it's sticking out. No, it doesn't. So I keep the original ones. That's a nice idea. And let's take off this one. So we learned something. See if the washer stays. Yes, it does. It's a little bit paint. It's a little bit pain place to do this, screw it. So I'll try to take a shorter one or something to screw that. It's actually fairly tight. So the left side. Both of them at the same time. Fairly easy. It's not that hard work actually to do that. What I like is actually the tinted black that is used on this color, on this paint, and it makes it really melting with the tinted plastic here, the black one, which is very nice actually. That's very nice. So, let's try to use this one maybe, which makes it a little bit easier. Oops, not good. Went a little bit around, but it's okay, not that damage. Let's see. Trying to see if it's damaged or not. No, it's okay. So let's make this one. So, not that hard, you don't need to do it very hard. This one. That's it. It's very hard actually, so you don't need that much push on it. Let's see, what's this one? Just give me a second to find the right. I think this one is a smaller one. Sorry. Yeah, found it. Let's do it like that. And now it's time for the protection. Take the upper ones, so it makes it easy. Down there. Sorry, being sick, so I hope this coughing is disappearing soon. That was a little bit not easy to get inside. Oops. Don't want to drop this because this one is. Let's try another one because this one, it doesn't give me a chance to screw it somehow. Not the whole way, so until you get all the screws inside, because that's otherwise it's gonna be pain to get them if you screw it the whole way. So always when you get screws like this, it's fairly hard to get the first place to do it, so you need to some kind of trick it around a little bit, but very easy on the threads, because you could kill them. I mean, if you kill them, that's they're gone, really gone, and then you cannot fix that. So I actually went very hard on this one, but we have to open it a little bit. So let's go back to the show. Let's see there. I hope that one is gonna be easy, because it feels like this one was very hard to do. Oh, change the screw. What do you know? So, as you see, it's like these are like dampers, so you don't push it so much on them, because they will get like squeezed and destroyed. So there, there, perfect. Oops. So here we have it. Looks very beautiful. Looks very nice. Let's take a microfiber towel. My English is fairly not the most perfect one. And yeah, guys, it's as much as you use this, it scratches that one. It's crazy. You need to buy a screen protector for the windscreen. That's crazy. This is plastic. Anyhow, so it looks beautiful. What do you think, guys? Yeah, well, I assume it's nice. It's not that tall. I didn't think that it's actually it looks very nice. So guys, Now I'm finished to install the wind protector on the MT09 2022. It's nice to see it in place. This is the black version. It's not the smoke. Many people they think that's the smoke one, but this is actually the black one. It is a little bit more transparent in the video as I see it in the mobile LCD, but when I look at it in the reality, it's actually a little bit more black. So yeah, remember, if you buy like this one, be careful with the rubber things here, the dampers. They can break. One of mine is just got broke in my hand, so you need to have a soap water when you install them, and when you push the thingy, the pins that goes inside the washers, that they look like a pin. So be careful there. Use soap water as I did, and you can wipe it later. Be careful to not wipe a lot, because actually it scratches, so you can see some scratches there. That's very important. Other than that, it's beautiful. I like it. It's not like sticking up like too much. I'm sure that's gonna give some protection, wind protection. It's gonna protect the screen. You will really skip the many like insects and many things that goes behind these things here, behind the electronics, and the sun is not gonna destroy the visibility of the screen. So it looks beautiful. Yeah, so I hope you like the video, guys. Like and subscribe, comment if you have anything to wonder, and I wish you a nice evening, a nice Christmas, and Happy New Year if we are not going to do to see each other in the next video soon. I assume I will do before Christmas. I will do some videos, but if we don't see each other, I hope you get a Happy New Year and nice Christmas, and take care. Bye bye.